Welcome to part 2 of our video troubleshooting mini-series. As you can see on the right here, I've got the same video open as I had in part 1. We managed to fix the problem where it had sound but no image, but this video is still unusable. Just watch this. I'm going to press the play key and then pause, and the video is jumping back to the position at which I pressed play. It's not pausing where it should pause, it's jumping back to the nearest keyframe. So the first thing to do when this happens is right-click the video window, select Show Video Filters, because that will bring up a list of the software, the codecs and decoders and what have you, which are being used as like the building blocks to play this video back. And if you have an MPEG-4 file, and this is an MPEG-4 file, or a MOV file, and it's exhibiting this behavior, have a look at the Show Video Filters list, and if you see GDCL demultiplexer in there, you know that's the culprit. That's the problem. So we need to get rid of the GDCL demultiplexer, and it's very easy to get rid of it. Let's close this window, click Media, Preferences again to open the Media Preferences window, and if you look down near the bottom here, if you have Enable Audio Stream Switching selected, and I do, deselect it, if that's a verb, click OK, and then as we mentioned in part 1, you have to reopen the video for that change to take effect. So let's reopen the video. Reopen the video. Let's again check those video filters. Let's check the list. And there, GDCL has disappeared. So that's gone, which is good. So is the video okay now? Let's go back, or forward, sorry, to where we were. Let's press play and pause. The problem has not been fixed. It's still jumping back to where I pressed play. And it won't frame back and it won't frame forward. So there's something else in that list which is causing this problem. So let's have a look at it again. Show Video Filters. And it's this little devil here. It's the Microsoft DTV video decoder. And it's that which is causing the stuttering. So now we need to get rid of this and replace it with something else. We need to banish the DTV decoder to the far ends of the earth. Close the window. Now what I'm about to say presupposes that you have the K-Lite codec pack installed. And if you don't, there's a link on the help menu where you can download it and install it. So yeah, make sure you got K-Lite installed. Go to Media Preferences again, and again we're going to go, as we did in part 1, to the Direct Show Filters tab. We've got the video mixing renderer 9 there, as you remember, and you come up a bit to the middle and you'll see there are various LAV filters there. We've got a LAV decoder and a LAV splitter, and what we want to do is replace the Microsoft DTV video decoder with the LAV video decoder. And we do that by ticking the LAV video decoder, clicking OK, and what do we do next? We reopen the video for that to take effect. It's reopened. Let's go forward. Now you'll notice immediately there's a change there. The video is now filling the whole of the video window, which is what I told it to do before by clicking here, Fit to Window. But with GDCL and the Microsoft DTV decoders, that didn't happen. But with the LAV decoder, it has happened. And let's just check, we've got LAV loaded now. Show Video Filters, there we are. LAV is there. The Microsoft DTV video decoder has gone. The audio decoder's there, but that doesn't matter. The important point is that we've got rid of the DTV decoder and we're using the LAV decoder now. Okay, that's fine. So how is the video behaving? Let's press play. Pause. Perfect. However, we can't frame back quickly. We can frame back slowly and we can frame forward slowly, but if I try and frame back very fast, you'll see it still gets stuck. So there's something not quite right. It's just about usable, this video, but if you're a fan of holding down that 6 key and zooming fast forward frame by frame or backwards frame by frame, then this video is not for you and we need to do something else. So what we actually need is a cunning plan B, and we'll look at that in the third and final part of this video troubleshooting mini-series.